Hello there and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Non-Stop Paper Crafts. Thank you for joining me again on my channel. Okay, so today's video is more of an introduction to the Next Design Team project that I'm doing rather than a crafty video. I just wanted to show you the kit that I'm going to be using, talk through what I'm going to be doing for this design team project this month. I will be filming the process on camera, so by all means, if you want to join in and craft along, that would be awesome. I will put the links to the kits that I'll be using down below, so obviously you have access to those if you did want to follow along and craft with me. But I am doing a journal this time. So my last design team project, I did something a little bit different. I did my Alice in Wonderland explosion box. I am doing a journal for this. It's going to be a mini one. I have lots of these instant ink boxes from HP, so I'm thinking I might use one of those for the cover. The spine on it is going to be quite chunky. I have used one of these boxes before for journals, and they are a lovely cute size. So the main kit that I'm going to be using is the Regal Bird. So this is the one that I've got here, and it just has some absolutely stunning images. I really love this kit. So I'm just going to quickly kind of whiz through so you can have a little look as well. But some gorgeous tags, and I really love the shape of these ones where they're kind of oval at the top. I really like that. Some more tags here. Gorgeous envelopes, really love that bird on there, so pretty, and such lovely colours as well. Yeah, I really love this kit. It's very nice. Again, lots of pockets, lots of fussy cuts of different birds, and a mini envelope there. Really love that. That's really beautiful. Lots of lovely colours, and again some stamps. Again, more journaling cards with the birds. This is just so beautiful, isn't it, with the peacock? Really love that. So lovely. Again, some more little fussy bits. And then the main pages, because obviously I am doing a smaller journal, this is a mini size, what I have done is I have printed the pages so it's 2 on a page. Just so that it's a smaller size, because the patterns on here are so lovely. I didn't want to have to end up chopping half of it off and losing the image, so I've shrunk them down so they fit on a A4 page. So I've got 2 on a page, but absolutely stunning. I really love this. This has got to be my favourite page, and as soon as I saw this when Natalie did her reveal, this was the page that made me decide, yep, I need to use this kit. This is just absolutely stunning. This is probably going to be on the front cover, I'm not going to lie. I just love it. I love all of the colours of the flowers along the sides. I just love this circle with the hummingbird and the flower. It's just beautiful. So yeah, that was what won me over with this kit. So as soon as I saw that, I was like, yeah, I have to work with this kit. But yeah, lots and lots of beautiful pages. Alongside this kit, I have asked Natalie if I can use her Bella Blue. Now I know you guys have seen this before, so I'm not going to go through all of the pages, but again it has similar colour tones to the Regal Birds, which is what I liked. But the main reason, it obviously has bits and pieces with birds on, but I also, if I can quickly find it, really love this kit because one of these envelopes, there it is, has that gorgeous peacock on again. So I thought that would look amazing in this kit as well. As I say, it's a nice light colour tone, so it matches well with the others. I may not necessarily use all of these pieces in the journal, we'll have to see. And as I say, this has got quite a thick spine, so I've got lots to fill, so it's possible I might do. But I've just done the same just in case. I've just put all of the background pages onto one A4 size. But yeah, like I said, just lovely colour tones. Again, that beautiful peacock, which I really loved, and this is just stunning as well. I love these sort of floral pages as well. As I've said, I'm really looking forward to using this kit. If you would like to craft along with me and make a journal with me using these kits as well, I will put the links to those down below. If you want to craft along but use a different kit, that's of course absolutely fine as well. I will be filming my process, unlike the Alice in Wonderland explosion box. All I'm going to do between now and the next video is I'm going to trim all of these down. Some of the bits I'm going to back onto tea-dyed paper because it's white on the back at the moment. And just cut out all of those little fussy cuts. So I'm going to do that off camera because obviously I don't want to bore you to tears. But then in the next video I'll have everything prepped and ready to start putting a journal together. So I hope you will join me for a craft along. Make sure you subscribe and click that bell so that you are notified of when I do release new videos. I think to make this journal it will certainly be over 2 videos. Whether it's over any more, I'm not sure, but like I said, I'm hoping to get all of the prep done before the next video. Well, thank you very much for taking a look at these kits and listening to my Next Design Team project. As always, I appreciate your comments and support, and all of those that are subscribing. You can also find me on social media. Those links will be in the description below. Particularly my Instagram and Facebook page. I do post bits on there that aren't necessarily filmed in a video here, so if you want to check out some other things that I am working on, then they're the place to go and find me. And I think that's about it. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful crafty day. See you later. Bye bye.